Hello dear students, welcome to chemistry sessions. Very good morning to everybody. Let us today start. This is the part of this is the reactions of phenol. We know that is in last lecture we have been studied. This is the resonating structure of phenol. Here we are on the basis of the resonating structures we can identify here this which types of the reactions takes place at which types of the position. Okay. ESR electrophilic separation reaction. If you already say ESR reaction is order, it is takes place on which types of the position? It is nothing but ortho and para position. Why? Because of whenever we follow the resonating structure, the negatively charge is created at ortho and para position. So it means that this is what electron density ortho and meta position is a more. That's why electrophilic separation reaction is takes place at what ortho and para position. Okay, यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सेपरेशन रिएक्शन ऑर्थो पोजीशन और पैरा पोजीशन पे होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी क्या होता है? ज्यादा होता है. That's why the electrophilic separation reaction is takes place on ortho para position due to the more electron density. So that which types of the reaction is electrophilic separation reaction? Nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts bulkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, Riemann-Diamond, Gardner-Koch reaction, Duff reaction, Kolbe-Schmitt reaction. So all these reactions we will study in which this Friedel-Crafts reaction and this halogenation reaction do not take place in presence of Lewis acid and what phenol, because of there is a formation of the complex molecules with what hydroxyl as a function group. यहाँ पे Friedel-Crafts reaction और हेलोजेनेशन रिएक्शन नहीं होता है इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ लेविस एसिड, वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सो दैट इज वी आर गोइंग फॉर द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन नाइट्रेशन ऑफ फिनॉल. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन? नाइट्रेशन ऑफ फिनॉल. नाइट्रेशन ऑफ फिनॉल. नाइट्रेशन ऑफ फिनॉल्स. So that is we are having this is the phenol as a starting reactant molecules. It is reacted with a concentrated nitric acid HNO3, concentrated nitric acid plus concentrated sulfuric acid. So this is the mixture of the nitrating mucus. This is the concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. This mixture is known as what? A nitrating mixture. We know this is the first in the previous lecture we have been studied. This is the part of the mechanism. So here the same reaction mechanism part is formation of this is the ortho para product. Here OH यहाँ पे आएगा NO2, then another types of the product is obtained. This is the para position. So these types of the reaction is takes place formation of the ortho nitrophenol and para nitrophenol. ऑर्थो नाइट्रो एंड वाटर पैरा नाइट्रोफिनॉल. यहाँ पे ऑर्थो नाइट्रोफिनॉल और पैरा नाइट्रोफिनॉल ये प्रोडक्ट मिलेंगे. इसमें से मेजर होगा हमारा ये वाला. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे OH है ना, हाइड्रोक्सी और ये ऑक्सीजन के बीच में इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर एक हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होगा, उसको बोलते हैं इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. So that is in one molecule is present. This is intramolecular hydrogen bonding present between these hydrogen atoms and oxygen atom. So the intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present in orthonitrophenol. Here intermolecular hydrogen bonding is takes place. That's why due to the presence of intramolecular hydrogen bonding, this is the product is nothing but a measure. So this is what a preparation methods of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol starting from phenol. This is one of the types of the reaction is nothing but electrophilic separation reaction. So why it is known as electrophilic separation reaction? NO2 as an electrophile, NO2 act as an electrophile which are having the tendency to attack on these types of the position, ortho para position. Nothing but what a substitution types of the reaction is takes place. Then these types of the reaction is known as what a नाइट्रेशन ऑफ फिनॉल. इसको कहेंगे नाइट्रेशन ऑफ फिनॉल. सो व्हाट इज द पार्ट ऑफ द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ नाइट्रेशन ऑफ फिनॉल? इसका मैकेनिज्म हम देखेंगे कैसा मैकेनिज्म है. सो वी आर हैविंग दिस इज द HNO3 प्लस H2SO4. इसका मिक्सचर हम क्या करेंगे? इसको डिसोशिएट करेंगे. NO2 पॉजिटिव, वी नो दैट HSO4 नेगेटिव, दिस इज नथिंग बट H3O पॉजिटिव. So you can take this is the mole amount of the reaction. So what happened? Here we are having this is a phenol. This is containing lone pair of electrons which are having the NO2 as a positive. यहाँ पे NO2 पॉजिटिव होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी ज्यादा है इसका, ऑर्थो पोजीशन यहाँ पे अटैक होगा. So that pi electron is shifted toward the NO2 as electrophile. Here generation of here sigma complex. Uranium ion यहाँ पे formation होगा. Then what happen? We are having the HSO4. यहाँ पे HSO4 कौन है? HSO4 negative. It is a nucleophilic nature. It is a electrophilic nature. So having tendency to accept the proton from this hydrogen atom, the bond is shifted toward what? Then formation of what? Or the starting product nothing but what? This is the final product is what is that? Orthonitrophenol. देखो यहाँ पे क्या जनरेशन हुआ? इट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? अरेनियम और सिग्मा कॉम्प्लेक्स. इसको बोलते हैं अरेनियम आयन और सिग्मा कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो HSO4 act as a nucleophile here, having tendency to take proton from this take a proton from this carbon atom, and this carbon hydrogen sigma bond is shifted toward this carbon bond. Then here is generation of the double bond is here, and this OH bond is shifted because of oxygen atoms having the positively charged. It needs two electrons and take the electrons and becomes to the neutral here. Then formation of what? Orthonitrophenol. Same reaction यहाँ पे पैरा पे होगा. देखो कैसा होगा? This is shifted toward this types. Again what? NO2 here positive. Then what happen here? There is a generation of sigma complex. Here OH positive charge. यहाँ पे CN bond formation होगा. Then what happen? यहाँ पे HSO4 नेगेटिव लेना पड़ेगा. न्यूक्लियोफाइल यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन एटम क्या करेगा? एक्सेप्ट करेगा. So that is nothing but formation of our the final product is nothing but what? This is what OH and this is the NO2. This formation of the minor product orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol. This position isomer product is formed. This is nothing but what? तो यहाँ पे देखो अब क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये 2 मोल लेना पड़ेगा, 1 मोल लेना पड़ेगा. So that is what? हाइड्रोजन एटम नाइट्रोजन कितना नाइट्रोजन यहाँ पे? 2. Okay, you can take this for the 2 moles 2 NO2 or 1 NO2. So you can take this for the 2 mole of H2SO4. तो यहाँ पे बैलेंस करेंगे. टोटल हाइड्रोजन की संख्या कितना है? 2 2 4 और 1 5. टोटल हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे 5 लेना पड़ेगा. 4 और 1 3 और 1 4. So you can take this 2HSO4. यहाँ पे 2HSO4 लेंगे. सल्फर एटम 2 है, 2 सल्फर है. So 1s2 1s2 यहाँ पे इक्वेशन हमको लेना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकंड स्टेप में क्या किया? दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन. देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन हो रहा है. यू कैन टेक EAR हियर. इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन ऑन एरो. Second, this formation of generation of the sigma complex or uranium ion. Again what? HSO4. यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल लेना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन एटम यहाँ से क्या करेगा? वो इस कार्बन से हाइड्रोजन एटम एक्सेप्ट करेगा. फॉर्मेशन होगा यहाँ पे CN बॉन्ड, यहाँ पे न्यू बॉन्ड जनरेशन होगा. This is the new sigma bond is formed. This is formation of orthonitrophenol. The same mechanism is takes place at a para position of these types of the group. Again negatively charged is created on para position. Then electrophile is attack on these types of the position at a para. Then what are next step is at a generation this HSO4 nucleophile. यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल लेना पड़ेगा क्योंकि यहाँ का जो प्रोटॉन है इस कार्बन का हाइड्रोजन ये एक्सेप्ट करेगा. ये जो बॉन्ड है कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड यहाँ पे शिफ्ट होके जनरेट होगा. देन व्हाट? ऑक्सीजन एटम्स हैविंग दिस नीड टुवर्ड प्रोटॉन. यहाँ पे पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है, इसको प्रोटॉन की जरूरत है. प्रोटॉन एक्सेप्ट करेगा. देन फाइनल प्रोडक्ट व्हाट? पैरानाइट्रोफिनॉल. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ मैकेनिज्म ऑफ नाइट्रेशन ऑफ फिनॉल. व्हाट इज दैट? नाइट्रेशन ऑफ फिनॉल. Then we are going to the next reaction, sulfonation. Sulfonation of phenol. तो यहाँ पे sulfonation of phenol की बात करेंगे. So this is next one is sulfonation. Sulfonation of phenol. So what happens in the sulfonation of phenols? If you are to the starting reactant molecular of phenol, this phenol is reacted with 2 moles of. You can take 2 mole of concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid. So what happens? There is a generation of the formation of this OH. Here what are SO3H, and this is another type of the product is obtained again what OH, and this is what SO3H. The mechanism part is same. You are to taking this sulfur dioxide is here SO3 and as a electrophile. Electrophile बोल के यहाँ पे react होगा. So the reaction is takes place what? OH is here. This one hydroxy group containing low pair of electron. This shifting is takes place which attack on this sulfur atom. This last again what happen? Here generation of. यहाँ पे देखो क्या generation होगा यहाँ पे? So that is the formation of the sigma complex here. formation of sigma complex. Here SO3 what happen here, negative charge. Then what happen, this hydrogen atom H plus, again we can write what HSO4. यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा, HSO4 nucleophile ये अटैक कर यहाँ से प्रोटॉन लेगा. So that is what it is goes to the formation of what, this types of the species is obtained. This is nothing but it is what a para hydroxy या 4 hydroxy what, benzene, 4 hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. So these types of the product is obtained, para hydroxy or 4 hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid starting from the phenol. Such types of the reaction is known as sulfonation of phenol. What is the name reaction? Here the sulfonation of phenol as a, here कौन सा प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे मेजर मिलेगा, this is what a para product is major. Why this is the para is major, this product is major, this one is a minor. This is major due to what, absence of steric crowding between hydroxy and the sulfonyl group, sulfonic acid group. This ये दो ग्रुप यहाँ पे, ये ग्रुप कौन सा है, बल्कियर ग्रुप है, बल्की ग्रुप है, लार्ज ग्रुप है, इसका साइज ज्यादा है. So here the steric crowding, what means the steric crowding यहाँ पे होगा, due to the presence of steric crowding, that's why it is a minor. जहाँ पे भी steric crowding होगा, जिस दो ग्रुप में steric crowding होगा मॉलिक्यूल में, तो वो मॉलिक्यूल क्या होगा, वो कंपाउंड क्या होगा, माइनर होगा. Absence of steric crowding, this major, presence of steric crowding, this is minor. This is known as ortho-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid, para-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. This product is major. This is nothing but the name reaction number 2. This is sulfonation of phenol. So this is a second part, a second reaction of the electrophilic substitution reaction. Why electrophilic substitution reaction? Because of this sulfur trioxide act as a electrophile. So electrophilic addition, यहाँ पे electrophilic addition यहाँ पे होगा, generation होगा sigma complex, HSO4 यहाँ पे nucleophile जाएगा. Then what about our final product is obtained. This is the para-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid and ortho-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. This is major, this is minor. These types of the reaction is known as what are sulfonation. क्योंकि sulfonic यहाँ पे group क्या हुआ, introduce हुआ, produce हुआ. That's why these types of the reaction is nothing but sulfonation of phenol. So we are going to the next part of the reaction. This is what if we are having this is the benzene molecules, we want to this is what H2 molecules. So this is the phenol. So the type number reaction third one, I'm telling you the name of the reaction is what, which was the reaction is what when the phenol, यहाँ पे क्या करना है, phenol को H2 के साथ react करना है, AlX3 Lewis acid है, AlX3 कौन है, Lewis acid है. So this what AlX3 is aluminum trihalide. This is what a trihalide. You can instead of this halogen atom, you can take this Cl2 and यहाँ पे आपको लेना है AlCl3. So the corresponding Lewis acid आपको यहाँ पे लेना पड़ेगा. Corresponding Lewis acid मतलब Cl2 यहाँ पे लिया तो यहाँ पे AlCl3 लेना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे Br2 लिया तो FeBr3 लेना पड़ेगा. So this is nothing but corresponding Lewis acid. So that is the generation of the types of the product. तो यहाँ पे ये reaction नहीं होगा. क्यों? Because of this hydroxyl group like to aniline molecules. So like to this order aniline compound. यहाँ पे जब हम halogenation करते हैं, फिडल का bulkylation करते हैं, so similar यहाँ पे भी आपका फिडल का bulkylation acylation halogenation reaction नहीं होता है. तो क्यों नहीं होता है? देखो ये लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, इसके पास लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये पहले क्या करेगा, AlCl3 से अटैक करेगा, है ना, AlCl3 अटैक करेगा या इससे कॉम्प्लेक्स जनरेशन होगा. तो यहाँ पे कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मेशन होने के बाद आपको जो फिजिबिलिटी है, प्रोडक्ट फेवरेबिलिटी है, जो प्रोडक्ट मिलना चाहिए वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं मिलेगा. सो ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हियर complex with hydroxyl group or the reaction also will become too violent. That's why those types of the reaction do not take place, similar to the Friedel crop alkylation and Friedel crop acylation. अब यहाँ पे halogenation हमको reaction करना है ना, so that is nothing but you can take Br2 in presence of CH2 carbon disulfide, or you can take excess mole of this Br2, 3Br2 can take, but here we can do water molecule. यहाँ पे water में reaction होने के बाद excess mole of water यहाँ पे लिया जाए, bromine excess mole of रहेगा, so that is the product is obtained. These types of the product is possibility your formation of what 2, 4, 6 tribromo what फिनॉल, यहाँ पे ये प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा बाय हेलोजनेशन। तो इस टाइप्स का रिएक्शन यहाँ पे होगा। दिस इज नथिंग बट हेलोजनेशन। दिस व्हाट excess mole of bromine, it is nothing but 3 moles of the bromine, it is reacted with what is the action? This what excess mole of the bromine